Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time for another YouTube top tip. And today's is how to get to my community tab. I will put notices and updates on the community tab if there's something you need to know quickly, if there's a video that's missing, if I wasn't able to upload, that'll be the place you'll get updates. And many of you have asked me how to find it. So here you go. All you do is go to your search bar and type in Maymay Made It, and you can go to my channel by clicking here. And then here, this is my channel, so you want to click right here. Once you get to my channel, you'll notice my channel trailer will start to play. I'll pause that. Notice this little menu across the top. The one you want to read or check out is the community tab. When you go to the community tab, you are then able to come in and either see things that I'm updating you about, like here's something that I'm updating. Here where there was no video, here where we had an item that I forgot to link, I put it in here. My friend Gareth came back. So you can see the kind of things. We uploaded the Labor Day sale here. So we try to put a lot of updates here. So if you have never gone to the community tab before, this will help you find it. Okay. And so I want to make sure that I show you these kind of top tips because many of you get a little lost in the world of YouTube, and I get it because it's a lot to know and to remember. So that's what I wanted to show you. Once you know where our community tab is, if you're ever expecting a video and I haven't put one out, head right here and I bet I'll have an update for why it's not there and for what you can expect. And many times I'll put all kinds of different updates. You never know. You can also come in, we might do a video or a poll or put an image up, but you also can come in and chat and see how these folks are chatting here in this comments. You can come in and talk and meet some friends in here as well. So there you go, the community tab top tip. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.